everyone! Today I'm sharing another scarf hairstyle. It's super simple and perfect for the summer. Let's get started. First, tie your hair into a half-up style. Create a gap in the middle and thread your scarf through it. Divide the hair into 3 equal sections. Incorporate the scarf and braid them into a tight 3-strand braid. Secure the end with an elastic . Now, fold the braid upward and tuck the ends into that same gap. Pull the ends of the scarf out from both sides. Tie the scarf into a firm knot at the top, then finish with a beautiful bow. The basic shape is done, but we'll use some bobby pins to secure the sides for a cleaner, more polished look. And you're all set. Isn't it incredibly easy? I hope you love this look. See you next time!